Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be taking a revision on all groups of animals. Our first group of animal is mammals. Mammals. Mammals like a boy or a girl, or like a lion, or like a giraffe. Mammals. How to know mammals in 5 ways. Number one, mammals have hair. Mammals have hair, like this picture of a gorilla. And also, we have hair, so mammals have hair. Number two, mammals have fur. Fur. Fur like a cat or like a dog or like the fox in the picture. So mammals have fur. Number three, mammals drink milk. When they're babies, they drink milk. Just like us when we were babies, we also drink milk. Number four, mammals have babies. Mammals carry babies in their stomach and give birth to them. So mammals have babies. Our second group of animals is birds. Birds. There's a small bird or a penguin or an ostrich. They're all birds. How to know a bird in 5 ways. Number one, birds lay eggs. They lay eggs. They don't have babies like mammals. They don't carry babies in their stomach, but birds, they lay eggs. Number two, birds walk on 2 legs, not like mammals on 4. They only walk on 2 legs. Number 3, birds have wings. Only birds have wings, so they can fly. But some birds can't fly, like chicken or a penguin or an ostrich. But most other birds, they can fly because they have wings. Number 4, birds are warm-blooded. Warm-blooded, which means that their body is warm from the inside. So even if the weather is cold, they're still warm from the inside. Number 5, birds have feathers. Feathers. Their body is covered with feathers. Only birds have feathers. Our third group of animals is reptiles. Reptiles. Reptiles like a lizard or like a snake or like a turtle. How to know reptiles in 5 ways. Number 1, reptiles are born in eggs. Just like birds, they're born in eggs, like this picture of a baby turtle coming out of an egg. Number 2, reptiles have small legs. Like this picture, a turtle has small legs and a crocodile have small legs. Mammals have long legs, but reptiles have small legs. And some reptiles don't have legs at all. They have no legs, like snake. Number 3, reptiles are cold-blooded. They're cold, which means that if the weather is cold, they are cold. And if the weather is warm, they go warm, but they're not warm from the inside. They're cold. Number 4, reptiles have hard skin. Some reptiles have very hard skin, not like mammals. Mammals have hair and fur, and humans have soft skin, but reptiles have a hard skin, like a crocodile in the picture. Number 5, reptiles have shells. Some reptiles, like a turtle, have shells, where the place where they live, and they just put their head and body inside the shell when they sleep. Our fourth group of animals is fish. Fish. Things to know about a fish. We have 5 things to know about fish. Number 1, fish can breathe underwater. They breathe in water. If they are taken outside the water, they die. They only breathe in water. Number 2, fish comes from eggs also. This is the picture of fish eggs. If we compare, this is the egg that comes from a bird, and this is the eggs that come from the fish. Number 3, fish have fins. Fins, so they can help the fish swim. Number 4, Fish have a tail fin, which also helps the fish to swim. Number 5, fish have scales. Scales. Not like mammals have fur and hair, and reptiles have hard skin, but fish have scales. Our last group and our fifth group of animals is amphibians. Amphibians, like a frog. There's 4 things to know about amphibians. Number 1, amphibians come from eggs also. This is the egg of frogs. If we compare, this is an egg that comes from a bird. These eggs come from a fish, and these eggs come from a frog. Number 2, amphibians live in land or water. They can live in land and breathe air, or they can live in water and breathe in water, just like a fish. So only amphibians can live in the land or water. Number 3, amphibians have moist skin. Moist, they're slippery. They're not soft or they're not hard. They're moist. Moist. They're wet and slippery. Number 4, they're cold-blooded, like reptiles. So their body temperature changes. If the weather is cold outside, their body is cold. If the weather is warm, it's warm. So they're not warm from the inside, they're cold-blooded. Thank you.